step 7. So basically we've just got to cut into the aluminium. There's some pre-drilled holes on the aluminium profile that's fixed into the wall. Similar to before. What we need to do is make sure not to forget when we're installing these screws the white cover. So first of all though is make sure that if you can see that gap along there, so basically you can move the whole enclosure within there to get a nice even gap. So just get it nice and level from top to bottom as best you can. You always fight against how straight your walls are and stuff, so make sure it's even as it can be for both sides. So go inside. What I'll do is a little mark out. Make sure the doors all close nicely. Just drill in. After I've drilled the first one, what I will do is just make sure that everything is still where I've marked it out. Otherwise I might have to remark out before I drill any more, because you only really get one chance at this, so it's worth taking the extra time. So yeah, nothing's moved. Do the top one on this one as well. Going to fix those two in, then it will stop moving around, and then what I'll do is I'll speed up the video for the remaining 4. So I'll fix these 2 in, get the chrome cap covers on, and repeat. Chrome cap cover, you can see that. Click it on. If you needed to, you can always put a little bit of sealant on them just to make sure that they don't come off, but they do click on. There you go. So just repeat the same for the 4 other holes, so I'll speed up the videos for those. There you go. So that's step 7 completed.